ever had racing thoughts in your mind, keeping you awake or not allowing you to rest? Hello, my successful and healthy earthlings. Mahela Raguse here, naturopath and founder of the Natural Health Podcast. Today, I will share with you a product that is an absolute must if you have racing thoughts or even if you want to reduce your stress and improve your productivity. Welcome to the Natural Health Podcast. We bring awareness of sustainable health in the business hustle space. Natural Health Podcast is perfect for the high-performing, business-minded individuals who want to work with their biochemistry and achieve success and optimal health. It's Tuesday, which means it's time for this week's top product review. Let's get straight into it. If your thoughts are racing in your head, or if you want to work on your stress, this is the absolute product for you. What am I talking about? Am I talking about the next magic supplement or pill? No, I'm talking about something as simple as a journal, right? When I say journal, I bet you may be thinking about a teenager girl laying on her bed with her little pen that has like sparkly things on it, with waving her feet around, her legs around, and writing about her crush and her feelings, right? No, that's not what I'm talking about, right? The thing is, that's what we kind of link with journaling. However, look, you can write whatever you want about in your journal, but this is a huge benefit for everyone, not just for these teenage girls or boys writing about their crushes and their personal dark secrets and so forth, right? Journaling can be as effective for many different reasons and help you reach a wider range of goals, right? It can help you clear your head, make important connections between your thoughts, feelings and behaviors, and even reduce mental illness. It's actually been proven to boost your mood, enhance your sense of well-being, reduce symptoms of depression before an important event, reduce post-trauma, improve your working memory, and deal with your emotions, get to know yourself, and so forth. So many effects right here, right? So the thing is that you need to understand is that journaling, like I said, is not just for kids, it's also for adults like you and me, okay? I've made my own journal. There's so many journals that you can buy out there and you can connect with. What I actually did is I wrote on one page the information that I think is going to help me, and then I printed it out about 30 times per month. And then, because I like to write, okay, I like to write, so it's out there. I know it should probably be better on my phone if I write it, help the environment and so forth, but I help the environment in so many different ways that I think this is something that's going to benefit me. I'll let you know what I've got in mind, right? So I have the date at the top that you write at the top. I've got the hours of sleep that I've had, and then the quality of sleep out of 10. Then I've got, what are the 3 things I'm grateful for today? So I write down 3 things that I'm grateful for. And then I write 3 goals for the day and actions that will push me towards my goals, right? So whatever my goals may be to smile, to make others smile, and then how I'm going to achieve this, right? Maybe by paying it forward or something along those lines. And then I've also got specific areas I want to improve on today. And one that I've written here is be patient. So that's in the morning. So that's something that I write in the morning. So hours of sleep, 3 things I'm grateful for, and my goals and what I want to improve on. So as you can see, I've got gratitude there. I've got goals, I've got actions, and I've also got things that I want to improve on. So constant improvement. And then at nighttime, I pull out the same page and I write, how did I serve the universe today? I also write daily wins. What win did I have today? And this is something that I write in there. And then I also write today's greatest challenge was, but then also what did I learn from this challenge? Which is interesting because I've written here, one of my greatest challenges was being still in the moment. And then the other one, what did I learn from that, is to be calm. It's so interesting. I love it. And then being a naturopath myself, at the bottom, I've got a table where I just write out of 5, I self-evaluate myself on my nutrition, on my energy, on my teamwork, my happiness, my effort, and love. So I rate myself, and then I on the side, I write what I can work on. And then I write my bedtime. So this is my journal. This is what helps me journal. And by writing this, you can see that I'm achieving my goals. I'm clearing my mental health. And then I've also got a blank spot where I can just write anything that I feel like I want to write, any feelings, any emotions that come up, anything that I want to work on. So this is just a self-reflective exercise that is going to help you as an individual, but also help you as a business owner. So you can buy your own journal, just literally buy your own journal that you can reflect with. Literally start with a blank piece of paper or make your own, okay? So it can be from anywhere from free, from absolutely no money, to $50, $60, $70, $80, depends which journal you get, right? So there you have it. This product is going to assist you to clear your head and remove those racing thoughts that are all in your head, right? Thank you for joining us at the Natural Health Podcast. And remember, the missing link between failure and success is your health.